Stop, don't yawn. Let's see if your brain can resist this. Someone yawns, and suddenly you feel like yawning too. That's not random. Your brain is literally copying them. Inside your brain, there are special cells called mirror neurons. These neurons activate when you see someone else do something, like yawning. So your brain says, hey, we're doing that too. But here's the interesting part. Yawning spreads more between people who are emotionally close, friends, family, even people you like. This is linked to empathy, your brain syncing with someone else's state. So next time you yawn after someone, it might mean you're more connected than you think.